Hi guys. Yeah, short video here about the Sheetpress wiring and yeah, all of it. I don't know where to start actually. So this is basically the original design, just a little bit scaled for 1.20 sheets, right? And so we just yeah scaled everything, but the grid cell size here is basically it's the same. So we have also a few other improvements, like the cartridge reader blocks are properly drilled, so you don't need to mess around with this heat putties they recommend, which will be a pain in the ass until too impossible to get on here at all. Because even if you get it on here, right, it will be scratched off, so it's a no-go. It will be have will just have punctual contacts here and there. Could be okay, right? But yeah, this will decrease basically the lifetime of these cartridge reader blocks, and so yeah, we drilled them with 11.75 and polished that with another drill 11.9. You can get these drills, no worry. Just have to look for it, and then we pressed them with a shop press in here, so it's all around contact, so it's quite good already. All right. What else? The wool was also difficult to get, as the one we have in the official material is not. You cannot get this outside of the Netherlands. It's specific, but we found better ones at the end with better properties. Right? Also double expensive, but okay. We have to do it now, right? Right. So now here the wiring. We noticed. Okay, how do we wire that now? Into these blocks here, we would have to get a 6 cartridge reader block cables, sorry, into one of these terminals. So it's going to be really ugly, right? And even if you solder that a little bit together and try to get it in here, it's just it's garbage. It's rubbish. Also, we noticed you would actually need a few more of these to make some extensions, right? To get properly to this block. But also that felt not really good, so we decided to investigate now what are the temperatures here on this thing, right? On the frame, on the wool, to decide, can we make the wiring just outside the protection shield or the enclosure shield, which are just some metal sheets, right? A triangle goes in here, will be mounted in here. So we do the wiring outside, where we have basically more possibilities to use standard stuff made from plastic, right? Outside. Okay, where do I go on? All right. So to answer this question, yes, you can do that. The shield won't heat up to be a problem for the wiring, wires like these or plastic like these. So out here we have now something like 34 degrees. The room is around 33 degrees, so it's almost no difference, right? But the frame is somewhere now at 85 degrees. We are 212. All right, so no problem with that. Right, as long as you don't have anything close to this one here. Anyway, what's more worrying now is the the heating time. So it took about 90 minutes to get to 150 degrees Celsius, all right? And then the heating time per degree after 150 degrees Celsius increased significantly. So it's actually stuck here since over 40 minutes at the 210 somewhere, and it's really having a hard time. And it makes a big difference. Actually, I opened this door here, which gives us a lot of air circulation coming through here. We have a nice circulation here in the house. But this will affect the temperature behavior significantly. So which means if you are going for 220 in a cold environment, so let's say 5, even maybe 0 degrees somewhere in a workshop where you need this air circulation, it doesn't look all right that you get there at all. So which gives us quite some headache, because some customers ordered this already, they paid already, and they are going for 250 or 300 even. So I can, yeah, just remake the thing here, the whole press plate, like better cartridge heaters, bigger cartridge heater blocks, more amps, thicker press plate, I guess, right? But yeah, we are quite in trouble with that now. That's why I give you also this video here. So that was one reason to make this video, to give you some indications about these cables, which were also not well being treated in the documentation or in the video. But also to let you know, we are working also on a temperature controller to take on the other concerns which are now surfaced on Discord about the melting times and overshooting. I don't think there is an overshooting problem here, but nonetheless, there are quite different numbers we have to consider. Also, the entire sheet might take much longer, right? In total, I'm standing here now something like 2.5 hours, or almost 3 hours, and protocol basically the relative heating times per degree for each 10 degree, which you can find now on GitHub. There's some research together with the new pit controller in development. So if you want to join, you're more than welcome. Yeah, so that's about this thing. So be warned. I'll make also kind of conclusion about the concerns already posted on Discord, but also from other people outside the usual, let's say, precious plastic box. Yeah, that's it for now. See you in a while. Bye.